Welcome students to your own class, that is Fun with Maths. Now in today's session I will take the theorems based on triangles. One more video you have seen about triangles where I have described median, then centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, everything was described. Today I have taken up theorems based on triangle. The first theorem is to prove that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Fine. This we have to prove. That means we have to prove angle 1. So what is to be proved? To prove we have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Now we will do construction. What construction we will do? We will draw a line through A parallel to BC and name it as DE. Draw line DAE parallel to BC. This is half of the part. Now to proof. Coming to proof. If you recall the parallel lines, then you can see DAE is parallel to BC, DAE parallel to BC, cut by transversal AB, therefore angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Alternate interior angles. What we have? Alternate interior angles. Same way we will write DAE parallel to BC. Now cut by transversal AC, cut by transversal AC, therefore angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Two equation we have obtained. This is first one, this is second one. Till here, am I clear to you how we are doing it? Using property of parallel line. Now look, DAE is a straight line. DAE is a straight line. Fine. Therefore, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree. Straight angle. Replace 4 by this angle 2. 1 as it is, 5 by 3 is equals to 180 degree. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree, which proves that the sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. I hope theorem is clear to you. Now here comes the another theorem, that is, if a side of a triangle is produced to the extent, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the opposite interior angles. Like I have taken triangle ABC and I have produced the side BC to D. So exterior angle 4 is formed. Now we have to prove that this angle 4 should be equal to angle 1 and angle 2. Like given, I have written in triangle ABC, side BC is produced to D, forming exterior angle 4. And you have to prove angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus 2. Let's prove the same without any hesitation, without any problem. It will be very easy. By angle sum property, by angle sum property in a triangle, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 180 degree. Is it so? We have proved in the previous theorem. And now BCD is a straight line. BCD is a straight line. Therefore, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus 4 is equals to 180 degree. If you compare these two, if you compare these equation 1 and equation 2 by comparing equation 1 and 2, what you can get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 4, and hence prove. So this is how we can prove that the exterior angle is equals to the sum of opposite interior angles. This is the theorem of triangle. Exterior angle property. This property is known as exterior angle property. For today's session, that's enough. 2 theorems. We'll meet you next time definitely. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone.